Hello everyone, you are watching Tutorials Hub, myself Amitabh, your teacher. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to create group and ledger in Tally.erp9 and also how to alter and display created group and ledger. First of all, you need to go to the gateway of Tally and click on Accounts Info. Under Accounts Info, choose the option Groups. Under Single Group menu, choose the option Create to create single group in Tally.erp9. On the group creation screen, enter the required details such as name of the group and choose the group name from the list of groups. After entering the required details, press enter to accept the details. You may also create other groups using the same process. Tally.erp9 allows to create any number of groups under all default groups. Here I have created one group under Sundry debtors, that is South India debtors. Now, how to display a group in Tally? After groups are created in Tally.erp9, you can display all the created groups with details. However, in display mode, users are not allowed to edit or alter the data. Now you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select the option Accounts Info, then click on Groups. Under list of groups names, choose the required group name and click on that particular group to display on the screen. How to alter group in Tally.erp9? After groups are created in Tally.erp9 application, the details can be altered as per the requirements. To modify or alter group in Tally, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select the option Accounts Info, then select Groups. You can search the group from the given search field and click on that group name to modify the details. On group alteration screen, update the required details and accept to save the same. My next topic is how to create, display, alter a ledger. In this lesson, I'm going to create ledger Access Bank account under bank account. The date that required for ledger depends upon the features update by us. If the settings of accounting features of company were set as no for all options, then the ledger screen provides with minimal information. Tally.erp9 automatically creates two ledger accounts, that is cash in hand and profit and loss account. We can create the ledger accounts as per requirements of an organization. We cannot create another profit and loss account in Tally, and we can create any number of cash accounts with different names such as petty cash. So let's begin how to create ledger account in Tally. From the gateway of Tally, click on Accounts Info and go to the ledgers. In the next ledger screen, choose the option Create under Single Ledger. On the ledger creation screen, update the required details. Enter the name of the ledger account and remember, name should be unique. And choose the group name from the list of group that pertains to ledger account. After maintaining all the required details, choose Yes option under Accept to save the configured details in Tally.erp9. Now how to display single ledger in Tally. After creation of single ledger account in Tally, You view the details of ledger by choosing the option Display. Follow the steps to displacing a ledger. Go to the gateway of Tally, choose Accounts Info, then click on Ledgers, then select Display option to view the ledger account in screen. Next is how to alter single ledger in Tally. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, then choose Ledgers, then select Alter. Now you can modify or alter the required details for ledger account and click on Accept to save the changed details in Tally.erp9. That's it everyone. So if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the regular updates.